charge, the Basque charge. I have the honor to introduce to you Mrs. Ardant.
How do you do?
President Ardant.
Hello.
Do you remember Pete Senarusi, your right arm in Idaho?
See you again, Mr. President.
Brazo derecho del estado de Idaho.
Do you remember Roy Guerin?
Senator from
Idaho.
Idaho. See you, sir.
Hello there.
This is the Minister of Culture of the Basque Government, Joseba Arregui.
Thank you.
Jose Luis Cusureta, Counselor to the President.
Hello there. Nice to see you.
Ramon Villalanga is also a Counselor to the President.
I'm
You
an
know this young
adopted.
lady?
Great to see you.
We were in the state of California.
Cuando estuvimos en el estado de California, gestionamos juntos todos los asuntos del estado.
Jauna, nik euskaraz hitzen biotzat, me va a permitir que le pueda hablar en euskera,
I would
presidente.
like to speak to you in Basque, so the interpreter will change.
Basque and Spanish. Interpreters.
Jauna, eskerrik asko eta benetan oso handia da niretzat eta euskaldunentzat onartzea etxe zuri hau.
Thank you very much for this occasion. It's the highest of honor for him to be able to meet with you.
Well, I'm very pleased to have you here.
Me complace mucho tenerlo aquí.
We'll enhance our ties with the Basque.
Hará mucho para realzar los vínculos que nos unen con el País Vasco.
We have some such ties. One's right here.
Tenemos tales vínculos, uno de los cuales está aquí presente.
Yes, and incidentally, it gives me an opportunity to tell you
Y me da la oportunidad de contarle
how much I respect what you have done
o
with
de
regard to
expresarle cuánto
eliminating terrorist violence among
respeto
political parties.
su actuación en la limitación de la violencia terrorista en el País Vasco.
Democracy doesn't need that.
La democracia no precisa de ese tipo de cosas.
Nuestro pueblo ha sido siempre un pueblo que ha defendido la democracia, ha
Our people
defendido la
have
libertad
always defended
desde hace ya
freedom
muchísimos
and
años.
democracy and have done so for many years.
Y en este momento nuestro pueblo sigue siendo también un pueblo
At this
que ama la
point in
libertad,
time, we
que
continue to
ama la
be
democracia
a peace-loving and democracy-loving
y
people.
esperamos que muy pronto
And we hope
se
that
supere
very
también el
soon
problema de la violencia.
we will overcome this problem of violence.
Estos vínculos, estos deseos, esta
These
voluntad de
links,
defensa
these
de la
ties,
democracia
and
y
these
de la libertad
desires for democracy and
es
freedom
algo que nos une
are something which bind us
pueblo
together,
vasco
which
y al
unite
pueblo
us,
mexicano.
the Basque people and the American
aunque la
people.
diferencia de pueblos sea muy ingente.
Although the
Nosotros-
difference between our peoples is so huge,
Nosotros somos un pueblo muy
we are a
pequeñito
very tiny people,
y en los Estados Unidos de América es
and
un
the
pueblo
United
inmenso.
States is such an enormous country.
Pero los vascos tenemos en Estados Unidos
But
algo muy
Basques
importante.
have something very important
Es
in the
esta
United States.
representación
This representation, this
de
very
vascos
illustrious representation of
que son los
Basques,
que nos honran en Estados Unidos.
who are the ones who do us so much honor here in the United States.
Well, and they do.
Y así es, lo hacen. Les honran mucho.
The one thing that we do have makes us rather unique.
Una cosa que tenemos que nos hace un poco exclusivos o únicos
Is that anyone from any corner of the world
es que cualquier persona de cualquier rincón alejado del mundo
comes to America
puede venir a América
and become an American.
y hacerse americano.
Efectivamente.
Indeed.
En esas condiciones vino también a Estados Unidos nuestro primer presidente, el
That
año 30 y,
Is
el
the
año
way
38, José
our
Antonio Aguirre.
first president came to the
Presidente vasco.
United States in 1938.
Well,
Sí. Quiero entregarle
I want to
este
give you
pequeño regalo
this small
como
gift
recuerdo
as
de
a
nuestra visita.
memento of this visit.
Es un regalo sencillo,
It's a simple
pero
gift,
tiene un gran simbolismo.
but it has a great deal of symbolic importance.
Simboliza la autoridad,
It symbolizes authority,
el orden
order,
y el respeto entre las personas.
and respect among men.
And it's called a maquila.
I feel it is some kind of a weapon.
Un tipo de arma, parece.
Sí, es un tipo de arma, sí, es
That's
un tipo
right,
de,
it's a kind of weapon, you're right.
es un tipo de arma.
This one, the ancient
So-
ones of the past.
Keeps unscrewing.
Esa es.
That's it.
Hey, I should have had this with me this morning. I was up on the hill with the
Por
Congress.
ti lo tenía conmigo esta mañana cuando estaba en el Capitolio con los congresistas.
No lo hubiera venido mal.
It would have come in handy.
Well, thank you very much.
Muchísimas gracias.
Beautiful Rancho del Cielo.
Holding that with everyone.
Vamos a hacer una foto en grupo con el presidente y su equipo. Si alguien se quiere meter del otro lado, el presidente se mete aquí y la señora de este lado.
But then you can take one with him as well. Can we include some vehicles for one? Might get in there.
Que venga también.
Come on, right, get in there.
Todo el mundo.
Turn just a little to the side.
Pónganse un poco de lado para que todo el mundo entre bien.
Oh, you should be in there.
All right, I'll come in.
Mr. President, that maquila is going to look gorgeous at Rancho del Cielo.
Yes, yes.
You can hang it just a spot to hang it.
Yes.
Everybody look. Okay.
Beautiful. Thank you. That has to be super wide, isn't it?
De la visita, muchas gracias.
This is the Rose Garden, right?
¿Lo abrimos aquí o no lo abrimos aquí?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Here you go, Roy.
Roy.
Here's your state chairman from a few years ago. In addition to Pete.
Those are key rings.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The seal on it.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Well, listen, a great pleasure to
Es
see you.
un gran placer haberme
Es
visto.
un placer.
It's been a great pleasure for me too, Mr.
Que
President.
tenga mucha suerte. Y yo, señor presidente, lo que quiero es
I'd like
invitarle si algún día
Wish
quiere
you
venir
much
a
luck
Euskadi.
and also invite you if anytime you can come to the Basque Country and come to know our country as well.
I would like that very
Me
much.
encantaría
Hope it can be
realmente.
done.
Ojalá que lo pueda hacer.
Great. Thank you. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye, Mr. President.
Goodbye, Nancy.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
See you in a few
Watch
moments.
that maquila.
I'm going to